is super tight. That glue, oh my God. Yeah, that glue really holds. Got to be pulling on the scalp like this, but Ericka, you did your thing with this one, baby girl.
What's going on, everyone? If you're new here, I'm ToriJae and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this curly unit that I made on the sewing machine. We want to start off by taking some cream foundation, and I'm going to be using the lightest shade, and I'm just going to be putting it all inside the cap. And you also want to make sure that you use this Skin Protectant by Ericka. This is my first time using it, but she recommended that you spray some on the inside of your cap. So I am just aligning the wig across my hairline, and I'm just trying to place it. You want to place it a little bit over your bald cap. You don't want to place it directly on your bald cap, just a little in front of it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Once you have your frontal aligned to where you want it, you want to go ahead and flip that frontal part back. And I'm going to go ahead and start off by applying the glue. When you're applying the glue, you want to put it a little bit on your bald cap, and that's it, because you're going to spread it towards the part where you're going to be laying the frontal down. So you'll see in just a second, like I'm applying it on my bald cap, but I'm also putting it towards where I'm laying my frontal down, because you want to have your glue like 1 inch, if you get it. But you'll see, like, you want to just spread your glue out at least 1 inch, so that way your install can last. And I'm gonna be doing 3 layers. Once your glue is clear, you want to go ahead and gently slide your frontal upwards, and you don't want to just place it down on the glue just yet because you don't want to smush it down. You want to just gently take your comb and then just comb it backwards like so. Some people, they do decide to actually cut the lace frontal in like different sections because that may be easier to you. You can do what you prefer and what you're more comfortable with. Once you have your frontal placed down, you want to go ahead and blow dry it, and I am using warm and cool air to blow dry this frontal, and I'm doing it for about maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess lace according to my hairline, and then I'm going to go and cut the ear tabs and tie this down. Yeah, for some reason my camera has stopped filming, so I couldn't even show y'all the part where I just cut the excess lace off. But all I did was cut the excess lace off, and then I separated my baby hairs. I pulled my baby hairs out, tied an elastic band around this part, and I let it sit for like 30 minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs in a different video because that's gonna be like a styling video, and I will show you guys how I style the rest of my hair
This is basically the installation. This is it. My wig fits perfect on my head. This is the hair from my hair company, Victoria's Wig collection. This is tea, like, oh my gosh. Get into it. Get into it, yeah. Get into it, yeah. Okay, y'all, so stay tuned for the next video, and I promise y'all not gonna have to wait for a month. I'm about to post it right now as we speak. All right, bye.